Hello children, today we are going to discuss about our semester paper pattern of mathematics and at the same time the type of questions which you can expect in the first semester examination of mathematics. The paper pattern is something like this. Your mathematics paper is of 40 marks. The paper has MCQs of 1 mark and 2 marks each. There will be fill in the blanks in the paper, but for every fill in the blank you will be given options, so you have to select the correct option from it. Then there are some diagram based question with again option given to you, so you have to read the diagram carefully and answer the questions based on that. Some questions are of the type complete the following by selecting the correct option. So again choices will be given and you have to select the correct option from the given choices. I repeat once again that in the entire mathematics paper there will be no typing. You are not typing anything. For every question, correct option must be selected from the given choices. So it is all MCQ type question. But yes, for mathematics you all are aware that even if it is multiple choice question, you have to sit with rough paper and pencil, solve every sum and then tick the correct option. So let's check out what kind of questions we can expect. So here is the question. This is from arithmetic progression. Find the 10th term of an AP whose 5th term is 24 and difference between 7th term and 10th term is 15. See children, the moment you read, you can't make out what will be the answer. Unless and until you solve it, we cannot find out the answer in the paper of mathematics. So you have to find the 10th term whose 5th term is given and 5th term is 24. So 5th term, the formula is a plus 4d, which is given to you as 24. Then the difference between 7th term and 10th term is 15. So 10th term minus 7th term, that is given to you as 15. When they say difference, it is always greater term minus the smaller term. So A10 minus A7 is equal to 15. Alright, but we know the formula. A10 is A plus 9D minus A plus 6D is equal to 15. And if you solve it, you get 9D minus 6D is equal to 15. That is 3D is equal to 15 and so D is equal to 5. We got the value of common difference as 5. Now by putting this value in equation 1, let's see what we get. We get A plus 4 into D we have calculated as 5 is equal to 24. So A is equal to 4. Now we have value of A, we have value of D. We have to find the 10th term. So 10th term is equal to A plus 9D. Substitute the value of A and D. So we get 4 plus 9 into 5 and your answer is 49. Is 49 there in the option given? Yes. So the correct option is 49. Alright, moving to the next sum. The next sum is the common difference of an AP is minus 2 and the first term is 80. Find the sum if the last term of this AP is 10. So many things are given at a time to you. Common difference of an AP is 2. So D is minus 2. First term is 80. So A is equal to 80. You have to find the sum, SN you have to find out. If the last term of this AP is 10, that is AN is equal to 10. So let's check out. First we'll make use of the formula AN is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. Now let's put the value last term is given to you as 10. So AN is equal to 10. 10 is equal to 80 plus N minus 1 into D is minus 2. we have substituted all the values, you solve it. So 10 minus 80 is equal to minus 2 in the bracket n minus 1. Again 10 minus 80 is minus 70 is equal to minus 2 in the bracket n minus n. So minus minus sign from both the sides you can cancel. 70 upon 2 is equal to n minus 1. 35 is equal to n minus 1. So n is equal to 36. Alright, now we have to find sum. Okay, find the sum of this AP. So we'll make use of this formula. Sn is equal to n by 2, a plus the last term, because we have a, we have the value of last term also. If you substitute this, you get Sn is equal to 36 upon 2 in the bracket 80 plus 10. Alright, if you solve it, you get the value as 1620. Is 1620 there in the option? Yes, it is there. So accordingly, you can mark the correct option. Alright, so you can make out that even if it is multiple choice, we have to actually solve. While solving, just use shortcut so that quickly you can mark the correct option. Next sum. Which term of an AP 4, 9, 14, 19 and so on is 109? Which term is 109? Now let's write down what all is given to us. Here we are given A as 4, common difference as 5, and which term is 109? So let's consider that the nth term is 109. So an is equal to 109. We will make use of the formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. So substitute the values. 109 is equal to 4 plus n minus 1 into 5. Solve it and you get the value as n is equal to 22. So which term is 109? 22nd term is 109. Is 22nd there in the option? Yes. So this is your correct answer. This is pretty simple. Next sum. Find 15th sum of the given AP. Now see how the AP is given to you. It's minus 10, minus 5, 0, 5 and so on. You have to find out 15th term. So here we have to make use of the direct formula. So let's do that. TA15 is equal to minus 10 plus 14 into 5. Because first term is minus 10 and common difference is minus 5 minus of minus 10, that is plus 5. So when you solve it, you get the answer as minus 10 plus 70, which is 60. And 60 is there in the given option, which is your correct answer. Alright, this was also simple. Next type of sum. This is how many natural numbers between 1 and 1000 are divisible by 5. How many such numbers are there between 1 and 1000 which are divisible by 5? Let's first find out the numbers or the natural numbers which are divisible by 5 between 1 and 1000. These numbers are 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and so on. And before 1000, which number will be there? 995. Now what is asked? How many such terms are there? Now all the terms which we have written, they are making an AP. So let's write down A is 5, D is 5 and the last term of this AP is 995. Let's make use of our formula. An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Let's substitute the values there. 995 is equal to 5 plus n minus 1 into 5. And when you solve it, you get 995 is equal to 5n. So n is equal to 995 upon 5. That is equal to 199. So n is equal to 199. Is this 199 there in the option? You check out. Yes, it is there. So 199 you have to tick or select as the correct option. Understood? Children, in AP there are variety of sums which can be asked. There are so many types of sums. So once you know the formula very well, it's very easy for you to go ahead with the sums. Then the next, the number of terms of an AP 3, 7, 11, 15 to be taken so that the sum is 406. How many terms of this AP you will take so that the sum of the terms in that AP comes to 406? How will you solve it? Let's see. Now for sum, our formula is Sn is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. Sum is coming equal to 406. What we are asked? The number of terms, that is n, should be how much so that the sum of the terms in the given AP is 406. Let's substitute the values. 406 is equal to n by 2 in the bracket 6 plus n minus 1, and the common difference here is 4. Start solving it. When you simplify it, cross multiply and make an equation, you get a quadratic equation 2n square plus n minus 406 is equal to 0. Now how to solve this? Since the coefficient of the square term is not equal to 1, so we'll take product of 2 into 406. That product is minus 812. We will find the factors of minus 812 in such a manner that the sum of the factors should be equal to plus 1. So the factors are plus 29 minus 28. Once you get the factors, solving the sum is very simple. So after this, if you solve, you will get the answer as 14. So if you take 14 sums or 14 terms of this given AP, the sum will come equal to 406. So this is another type of sum. Next is 7th term of an AP is 40. The sum of its first 13th term will be. This is another very simple sum. 7th term of an AP is given to us as 40. And what is the sum of its first 13 terms? So we know, since we are given 7th term as 40, what is the formula for 7th term? A plus 6d is equal to 40. Alright, let's write down the formula for S13 because we have to find sum of 13 terms. So S13 is equal to 13 upon 2 in the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 into d. 13 minus 1 is 12, so 12d. Start solving it and simplify it. You get the answer as 520, and therefore the sum of the term in the given AP is 520. Sum of 13 terms in this AP is 520. That option is there, so we can select the correct option. Alright, moving to the next. This is from this chapter statistics. The class interval of a given observation is 10 to 15. Then the class mark of this interval will be. This is the simplest possible sum. Class interval is 10 to 15. What will be its class mark? Class mark is arithmetic mean of the two lower term or the lower limit and the upper limit of the class interval. So 10 plus 15 upon 2, 25 upon 2, and your answer is 12.5. So answer B is the correct answer. Okay, next, if the sum of frequencies is 24, that is summation Fi is 24, then the value of x in the observations x, 5, 6, 1, 2 will be. So sum of all the terms is given to us as 24. So we can write it like this: x plus 5 plus 6 plus 1 plus 2 is equal to 24. Simplify it, get the value of x as 10, and that is the correct option. That is answer D is the correct option. So both the sums are very simple. Let's see the next sum. One of the methods of determining the mode is, now we have one formula to find out mode, or to the relation between mean, median and mode, and that relation is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. So this is the method by which we can find out mode if median and mean is given to us. So this formula is important, you have to learn it. Mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. Next is, for the following distribution, this is what is the distribution given to you. The difference of the upper limit of median class and the lower limit of the model class is. Now for the given distribution, we need to find out which is the median class and which is the model class. Now for median class, what we have to do, we will need the sum of all the frequencies there, summation of Fi, we call that as capital N. So if you add all 10 plus 15 plus 12 plus 20 plus 9, you get N is equal to 66. We need to find out where N by 2 falls. N by 2 is 33. For that, we have to consider cumulative frequency less than type. So we'll keep adding this 10, and 10 plus 15 gives 25. 25 plus this 12, this will give you 37. Now 37 is coming in the class interval 10 to 15. N by 2 is equal to 33. So 33 falls into this class interval of 10 to 15. And this is what is our median class. The upper limit of this median class is 15. Then what is asked? The lower limit of model class. Now which is model class? The class which has highest frequency. Now which is highest frequency? This is the highest frequency. So this is the model class and its lower limit is 15. We have to find the difference between the upper limit of median class and lower limit of model class. So 15 minus 15 comes to 0. So the difference is 0. Nice sum and good. You have to think and answer. So please keep this in mind. Next sum. For the following distribution, this is the distribution given to you. The number of students who got marks less than 30. So marks are given in the class interval 0 to 10, 10 to 20, 20 to 30. Less than 30 means you have to add all number of students, that is 3 plus 9 plus 13 up to 13. 13 or less than 13. If you add it, the addition comes equal to 25. So B is the correct option. This is also simple sum. Yeah. Then the next, the mode and mean is given by 7 and 8 respectively. Then find the median. Now just now I told you the relation between mean, median and mode. The relation is mode is equal to 3 median minus 2 mean. We are given mode and mean and you have to find the median. So substitute the values and find your answer and you will get the answer as 23 upon 3. So C is the correct option. Alright children, so these are all the type of sums which you can expect from arithmetic progression and statistics. Simple sums are there, but yes, it should click in your mind as to how to solve it. So in the next video lesson, we will practice for the sums which will be based on surface areas and volumes and probability. So see you all in the next video lesson with new type of sums. Bye and take care.